What's the difference between a mango and an apple? Mango and an orange. It's pretty simple. Both are both are different. Similarly, a LinkedIn as a platform is different from the job search platforms. Please do not confuse both the platforms as similar platforms. Even when LinkedIn is a platform where you can also get jobs, and a lot of people are searching for the right candidate on LinkedIn, but LinkedIn is not to be considered as another job platform. Hey, welcome to my channel where I talk about what they don't teach you in schools. And I'm your coach Moses. Today I'm going to talk to you about the difference between LinkedIn and traditional job platforms. How you should view these platforms to be and how do you use these platforms. So let me go with the LinkedIn platform first. So we are on LinkedIn platform. Over here on this side you'll see all the jobs, a different set of jobs that are available. You can skim through different jobs whichever you feel are important for you, and you can start applying for these jobs. These are the places you will see all the jobs. This is so just to give you an overview. LinkedIn, long time back, 2009, it started as a platform for job search. But what they realized is in a race where there are many such platforms, which are job search platforms, it will be really difficult for them to have a competitive edge. This is when they started to develop LinkedIn as a professional networking platform. And they got you to fill all these details. This made LinkedIn as a professional networking platform, but along with that, jobs was just a small particular element. Although jobs is the main element why a lot of you are on LinkedIn, and you know that being on LinkedIn will get you the job, still try to focus LinkedIn as a different platform. Now coming back to job section, if you move into job section, you will find all the jobs and pretty much whether you go on Naukri.com or you whether you go on Founded.com, which is like earlier it was Monster, now it is Founded.com. Pretty much everything remains the same. The only thing that differs between LinkedIn and these platforms, these are hardcore job platforms. And these platforms is where people who are looking out for jobs are available, and recruiters know that these are the people who are ready to join a company. They are ready to shift. While on LinkedIn, the thought process whether a person is looking for a job or may not be looking for a job. So there will be passive job searches, there will be active job searches. Naukri.com has all the active job searches. And so this is one of the main core elements of LinkedIn. The second core element, which a lot of you are unaware, is you need to treat LinkedIn as your own website. Think about it like your portfolio. If you go and say, Mr. Tamura is my friend and colleague also and client also. So this is what he is, his where which all groups he's present and about him and his activity, then his experience, what he's doing, where he's working, overall, then education, then licenses, then projects that he's managing, skills, the recommendation, publication he has been part of, and authors, honors and awards that he has, languages he knows, and interest, companies, and groups that he follows. Consider this like your own biodata, like your own website. It's like your personal website. Treat LinkedIn as your personal website. And now the way you'll manage your LinkedIn profile will be completely different. If you go on any page, a lot of people have done proper work and sorted the LinkedIn profile, whether it is banner, whether it is profile DP, whether it is tagline, tagging the different companies where we have worked or say we have studied, about profile, featured section, post. From here, it is about profile where I'm working for, and then certifications, volunteering experience, skills, and the recommendations, publications, courses, honors and awards, languages known, companies, groups, newsletters that I'm subscribed to, schools that I'm part of. All these things are part of your personal profile. And you need to start sharing your personal profile if you really want to get noticed amongst the recruiter community. All the recruiters are using a simple hashtag. uh, hiring alert as a part of their post. And if you see over here, post. Here you'll get a list of all the recruiters. These are the recruiters who are looking out for people to fill their job profiles. And this changes everything. This is the reason why you need to have properly filled LinkedIn profile with all the keywords. If you miss the keywords, hirers will not notice. Coming back to our point about how to use. So we have understood today is LinkedIn should be treated as a different platform. Do not compare it with your traditional job search, and treat LinkedIn as your personal website profile. And lastly, keep everything updated. If you are looking out for job and if your LinkedIn profile is not updated, if your Naukri.com or Monster.com profile is not updated, you will not get job. You will always be treated as a passive job seeker. You need to be, if you are really looking out for job as soon as possible in next 2 months, then you need to be looked at by hiring managers as an active job seeker, not a passive job seeker. This is how you become a active job seeker. Start updating your LinkedIn profile. If you need any help, please post it in the comments. Thanks again for joining. Bye.